We're on the phone today. I forgot my vlogging lens. I have my cinematic lens in my camera, and I was like, damn, I wanted to vlog this, but I forgot the lens, so we're on the phone today. But we got the boys. We're gonna go for a little canyon run up at Red Rock. I guess I missed the white M series memo. Got this dude over here too. I don't know. I kind of missed the white on the car, but the blue looks really, really good, so I don't want to change it. But yeah, so we're gonna go do that. It's a little bit windy down here, so I know for sure up the mountain, the wind is gonna be ripping. I'm hoping that's not the case, but chances are it is. So if you drive a Supra, you understand the struggle. These damn cars never came with cup holders. I'll never understand why. They built such a sick car. Did you put cup holders in? Looks like a movie. It looks like a scene from Cars. Radiator Springs. It looks like Radiator Springs out here. It kind of sucks because today is a Saturday and it's like 70 degrees. It's beautiful out. So these roads are packed. I really wish it wasn't this busy because I just want to rip these roads. I think we're gonna pull over right here. Let this dude get out of the way, man. A little bit of a slow drive up here. A car in front of him is scared of something, I don't know. Everyone else telling you guys that it's beautiful up here. Look at this. You would never guess that this is Las Vegas. Are we gonna go further? I'll tell you right now, I'm flying. I don't care if I have to cut cars off, I'm going. I wish I had a mount for the phone like in the car. I think that's my next purchase, is like a suction cup mount for the phone on the camera. This lineup is absolutely like I said before, I guess I missed the white M3 memo, but that's okay. Nice. Very nice. I've been wanting to get a video like that of their cars for so long. That's gonna be so sick. And now it's me. Well, they were driving his car, but he's got to drive this thing back. Bro! Hey, we got to do it one more time. You guys were hella far away. Let's go further up and do it. I've been wanting to get like a flyby video of their car and my car for so long. Finally able to do it. Oh, that was sick. This car is running a little bit lean though. I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to check out something to tune later. But it's like, it should be running like 11.7, 11.8. It's running like 12.3, which is too lean for me. But I don't think it's the end of the world. I'll check out what's going on. All right, when I said I wasn't too worried about it, I am a little bit worried about it. It's running lean like throughout the whole RPM range, idling, cruising, boost. So I'm gonna add a little bit of fuel on the IAT correction table right here. I'm hoping that this will help. Do not do this and drive. This is very sketchy. If I get into a car accident, God forbid, this thing is going straight through my sternum. So let's add 1% of fuel right here. I don't know if you can even see it. I'm trying to focus. Oh my God, see him swerving off the road. So I'm gonna add 1% right here. I'm gonna do a little pull just to see if it's still really lean. If it is, I'm gonna add one more percentage of fuel. If that doesn't work, then something's wrong with either maybe a failed spark plug or a bad O2 sensor or something. So I added 1%. Let's put it to 100 right here. This is the idle or the intake air temp sensor correction. As you can see, it's pretty linear, but I want to add just a little bit of fuel right at the, how hot is it? 82 degrees intake air temp. I'm going to add the 1% and see what it does. Let's see. So third gear is my 1-to-1. Let me put the AFR on. Let's see how this, see if it likes it. You can't even see on the phone. Let's see. There we go. There we go. 1% did a lot. So it's definitely an IAT correction thing. Hell yeah. That was perfect. Right where I wanted the AFRs to be. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that on the video. I was looking at the screen and it was like kind of glitchy. So I'm glad I made that adjustment. It looks like it's running a lot better. This is like a, oh my, this is like a weird little town. I think there's a skate park here. Damn, I should have brought the scooter. I forgot this place existed. There's like a little tiny skate park with like 3 or 4 ramps. We've been up here before, it was pretty cool. Oh my God. I'm getting hot. It's hot in this car. I'm sweating. It's only like 72, 73 out. Probably 100 degrees in this car. The thing that sucks about right-hand drive is the exhaust runs right under you. So, like, I have all the sound deadening material, the insulation stuff under the carpet. When I dyed the carpet, I did all the flooring. Like, not the flooring, what am I, in a house? I did all of the, all that material. I used Kill Mat. It helped a little bit, but man, it is still, oh, there's a skate park. That's what I was talking about. But it is still freaking hot in this damn car. So I'm gonna get out for a minute, sit in the shade. I'm sweating. These guys' cars are like almost identical. So he's got ZE 40 volts. He's got CE 28s. Same wing, same wing. He has a cage. Look at the interior of this thing. The Recaros are fire. The white cage, oh my God, I love white roll cages. I like the seats. I'm more of a reclinable guy. I don't like the fixed back, but it looks really, really good on the car. Similar exhaust. What exhaust do you have, Dante? Oh, yeah, I don't know. They're what? But yeah, he's got full titanium. He also had an E92 M3 that burned down, and the exhaust on this car is the one that was off of his burnt car. What is it? It's a, what is it? Your exhaust. Mice or shot. Not a lot of parking options in this town. So we found like some spot, it's like a wall, right next to a school. I can't be within 300 feet of this place, I gotta go. All right, it's time to get out of here. We hung out for a bit in the shade, let the cars cool down a bit. I think we're gonna, oh my God. I think we're gonna go back to the house right now. The hockey game starts at 4. We're gonna watch the Rangers and I think the Hurricanes. This is his going away party. Like, we're doing like a little cruise for him because he moves next Monday to like South Carolina or something. So we're just kind of doing like a big friend thing today. We're having a barbecue at the house. We wanted to take a cruise with the cars. But it's time to go. I'm hot, I'm tired, I'm hungry. So we're gonna head back. Gonna go hang out at the house. And actually, I think the northern lights are like visible from like the country instead of being all the way up in Alaska, like this weekend. So I think later tonight, we're gonna take the cars back up to a mountain, like a different mountain spot, and go check out the northern lights. That'll be cool. Side note, when I installed this carbon hood, everybody was like, dude, put latches on it, like it's sketchy. It's gonna blow off. Like, oh my God. Oh, dude. I need a V8. Oh my God, it sounds so good. Anyways, so side note, when I installed this hood, everybody was like, bro, you gotta put latches on. It's gonna blow off at high speeds, all this and that. I opted to not do that. I don't really like the look of latches. So I was like, you know what, screw it, I'm just gonna run it regular. And let me tell you, the hood, like anything over like 80, it's like mad sketch. I'll tell you one thing, this car sucks gas like crazy. E85 is awesome, but holy crap. I've filled up, I was at 3/4 of a tank when we left. I am now almost at a quarter, and we only drove for like 30, 45 minutes in total, but it was all very fun driving, very throttle happy, so that was cool. We made it, buddy.
10 out of 10 would recommend.
10 out of 10 would recommend. You guys heard it here first. The barbecue is really good. We're gonna go see the Northern Lights. To be honest, I'm giving it like a 99% chance we're gonna see nothing. I don't know, I'm gonna try to get it on video. If it doesn't come out on video, I'm still gonna post it. So we're at the spot, literally in the middle of nowhere. It's pitch black out here. I see nothing. Literally, everything is just black. It's dark. Then we might be early to it or something. I don't know. This was a far-ass drive. We've been driving for a good like 35, 40 minutes. For Vegas, that's really far. This is actually the spot that we go shooting at. It's called Cold Creek. I don't know, man. I probably should have brought the guns to at least like a shoot and make the trip worth it, but I don't know. Maybe we're early, maybe we're not in the right spot, I don't know. We're gonna keep hunting though. Jesus Christ, that's bright. We're up here, I don't see a thing.
What'd you think?
Oh my God. There's so many people up here, this is the weirdest thing. It's like middle of nowhere, there's like probably close to a couple hundred people up here. The road is like, I don't even know if you can see it. Look up, okay. Pop a wheelie. Well, it's supposed to be over there. I don't know. It's supposed to be that way. What? Wow. This looks so good. I'm so glad.
I could have been on my crap.
Oh, hey, he's got a point. Oh my, I see it! So we just left. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. We were up here for a couple hours. It's freezing. We didn't see anything. It looked like a regular city night. So we're going back down the hill right now. I got the car shut off. I have like under a quarter tank of gas, and we got like a 30-mile drive home. I'm on E85. This car gets terrible gas mileage. I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of nervous. Well, we made it to the gas station. Barely. I'm gonna get some gas, and then I'm going home and I'm going to bed. Today was a long ass day, I'm tired. But it was a very fun day. Love days like this. Nothing better than cars, friends, good food, hanging out, fun times, driving. So I'm thankful for what I got, the friends that are around me, and it's a good day. It was a very good day. So on that note, I'm out. I'm getting my gas, getting some chocolate milk, and I'm going to bed.